Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kensele. What's your name?
I'm Chamaka.
Chamaka. How are you doing? Please, I want to ask you something. Can you answer? Do you have boyfriend?
Yes.
How about your boyfriend?
Fine, fine.
I want to ask you something again. Can you date 1 minute man?
Hmm.
Why are you laughing?
Nothing.
Can you date 1 minute man?
No.
Why?
Nothing.
I'm waiting for you now. Why? Why are you saying nothing? Can you date 1 minute man?
No.
Why?
My boyfriend will know.
Huh?
My boyfriend will know.
Your boyfriend will know. Okay. Assuming now a guy that cannot last in the game, assuming you having fun with your guy and the guy can only last a minute, can you date such?
Maybe. Yes.
You can date such person. Now how do you manage someone that don't have power, like can have only 30 seconds sex with you?
Mm.
Why are you laughing?
Gaujin kakadmo.
Okay, now. Okay, now somebody that can last 1 hour in the sex and somebody that can last only 30 seconds in sex, which one you prefer more?
1 hour.
1 hour. Why?
It they sweet me that.
Come now, come. It too the sweet you. Okay, what of somebody that can last 2 hours?
No. Hey. You want
But the one that can last only 30 seconds,
that one no thing.
why?
You no go feed him. Eh,
You know go feel what?
you go fit sweet me.
What is your name again?
Chamaka.
Chamaka. Anyway, I am happy to see you here. Then with your guy and realize that your best friend is dating your guy. What do you react?
Ha. I no go do anything now. I no go do anything.
You're not gonna do anything. If your best friend date the same guy you love,
I go date her own now.
okay, you go date her own. That is one. What if we our own don't accept you?
My own no go accept her.
Okay, thank you. Do you love your mom?
Why? I love her very much.
What of your dad?
I no love my dad.
You don't love your dad? Why?
My dad no the serious dad.
Your dad is not serious dad. But do you share secrets with your mom?
Yes.
So your mom know everything about you.
Yes.
What if today something happened? Your mom come out on public and tell them that this is my daughter and this is what my daughter can do?
Yes now.
So your mom will know that you have a boyfriend.
Yes.
How many boyfriends do you have?
One.
Only one? Isn't that the same your boyfriend break you?
No.
How old are you now?
90.
19 years. Do you reach 18 years before you break?
No.
How old are you when do you break?
17.
17 years. Have you finished your school?
Yes.
Have you finished your study?
Yes.
Where do you stop?
SS3 now.
Okay, you write WAEC. Okay. Do you love your boyfriend to marry you?
Yes.
What that your boyfriend do that he doesn't like?
My boyfriend they do well now. They do well.
If they have sex well, right? Apart from sex, what again?
Money.
If they give you money.
Yes.
Apart from money, what again?
Love.
Yeah?
Love.
What is that love?
Petting.
Petting. How do he pet you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And kissing. Apart from that, what again?
Nothing.
Nothing again. Okay. Can you do me the same thing that your boyfriend do you?
No.
Why?
Nothing.
You can't pet me. Why? Your boyfriend is not around now.
Yeah. He's around though.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I'm happy with you. Thank you. God bless you. Remember, my name is Kinsele. I popularly known by Mazimbono. Yeah, thank you so much.